and it's real early right now because it's like 6 in the morning, and I'm gonna be doing some fishing. And I don't know if you can see, but I got a new rod, and I'll be doing a video on the rod too, so and everything. But I'm gonna be using it today. And my brother Kenny, Austin, Gary, and my uncle Michael made me that rock statue so it can slow the current down for me. So thank you guys, huge shout out to them, and shout out to my grandma because she got me the rod, so huge shout out to her because I got this rod and she got it for me as an early birthday gift. So guys, I'm gonna stop there and get into the video. So right now, I'm gonna be trying to catch a fish because I'm using a parachute island, but I gotta cast it in that bubble line. So I'm using a parachute island, and just trying to have float. I feel like it'll take. So guys, right now I'm just casting a bubble line, like I said. But when your flies start sinking, what you can do is you can just do a couple false casts and hope it dries off. There we go. Smoked it 3 times. Let's go.
Let's go. Do you need me to come to you, or can you get here?
I'm coming to it.
Okay.
Just get the net in the water and ready.
Keep them wet. Make sure he stays wet. Keep them underwater. Keep them underwater a little
Keep
bit.
them wet.
Go on. Get him in the net. Get him in the net.
Okay.
Yes. Go keep it in the water.
You got him, dude.
It's brown.
Is it brown?
The brown's brown.
Nice.
Wait. Is that a rainbow? No, that's a brook.
It's a brookies because you got the new croaker. Shut up. Here, let Beck get a good picture with you. You want to?